Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and acting fast. First, confirm the model and any recent update. That helps choose the correct steps. Once ready, make sure the battery is above 50% or keep it plugged in with an original or certified cable. Unstable power causes boot loops. Now force restart. For iPhone 8 or newer, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo changes. This clears transient hangs, but does not erase data. Once the force restart fails, move to recovery mode using a Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes. Connect the device and follow the exact button sequence for your model to trigger recovery mode. This lets the computer talk to the phone. In the dialog, choose Update first. This reinstalls iOS without wiping content. If update cannot complete, then select Restore, which will erase data and reinstall iOS. Make sure to note that Restore is the last software. To finish, if Recovery Restore fails, use DFU mode for a deeper reinstall. It rewrites firmware and is more invasive, so follow steps exactly. If software restores still fail, inspect for hardware issues. Swollen batteries, liquid exposure, or loose internal connectors often show similar symptoms. If you suspect hardware, stop attempting restores frequently. Back up any accessible data, then contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop. One key tip: if the phone gets hot, power it down and seek professional help immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.